In a quiet little town surrounded by rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Toby. Toby was a dreamer, always wishing he could talk to animals and understand the secrets of nature. One day, while flying his kite on a breezy afternoon, he heard a soft, playful voice say, "Toby, follow me." Startled, Toby looked around and realized it was the wind speaking to him. The breeze swirled around him, guiding him to a dense forest. There, the wind said, "If you wish to talk to the animals, you must complete a special task, help the forest animals without expecting anything in return." Excited, Toby ventured into the forest and soon saw a baby bird that had fallen from its nest. Carefully, he lifted it back up to its home. As he walked further, he found a squirrel struggling to gather acorns. He picked some up and handed them to the grateful squirrel. One by one, he helped animals big and small, without ever asking for a reward. When the sun began to set, the wind whispered, "Toby, you have shown kindness and a true heart." Suddenly, he felt a tingling in his ears, and to his amazement, he could understand the chirping, rustling, and chattering of all the animals around him. A rabbit hopped over and said, "Thank you, Toby. Now you can always talk to us." The forest came alive with joyful sounds, and Toby felt happier than ever. From that day on, he spent his afternoons helping his furry and feathered friends, learning their stories, and playing among the trees. Moral: kindness and selfless acts can open up magical possibilities and bring unexpected joy.